Have you ever wondered how to invest in real estate with just $10,000? Well, it's not as impossible as it sounds. Picture this, you're standing at the threshold of a new opportunity, the world of real estate investment. Yes, even with a budget of $10,000, it's a world teeming with potential and ripe for exploration. Today, we'll be setting the stage to demystify the process and make it accessible for everyone. Stick around to discover a simple and effective strategy to kickstart your real estate journey with just $10,000. Before diving into any form of investment, it's crucial to understand the market. The real estate market, like any other, pulses with its own rhythms and patterns. It's a living entity, ever-changing and influenced by a multitude of factors. The key to successful real estate investment lies in the ability to identify profitable areas. Consider areas with high rental yields or those projected for growth due to incoming infrastructure or industry. Moreover, keep an eye on market trends. Is the local economy growing, stagnating, or declining? Are property prices rising, falling, or remaining stable? These trends can help you anticipate the market's future direction and make informed decisions. Finally, predicting future growth is a critical part of real estate investment. Look for signs of development like new businesses, schools, or transportation hubs. These can indicate a potential surge in property values. A well-researched investor is a successful investor, so arm yourself with knowledge before making any investment decisions. Now that you understand the market, let's explore how you can invest your $10,000 wisely. Imagine holding the key to your financial future in the palm of your hand. That's what 10 grand can do for you in the world of real estate. Let's break it down into 3 simple steps. First, you could put your money into real estate investment trusts, or REITs. Think of them as mutual funds for real estate. They pool money from multiple investors to buy, manage, and sell real estate properties. The beauty of REITs is that they give you a stake in high-value properties without the headaches of being a landlord. Second, you could buy shares in a real estate company. This option is like buying a piece of the pie. You benefit from the company's success, but you also share in its risks. It's a good way to learn about the industry and potentially earn dividends without getting your hands dirty. Finally, you could use your 10 grand as a down payment for a rental property. This strategy is a bit more hands-on. It involves scouting for a suitable property, negotiating a deal, and managing tenants, but the rewards can be considerable. Rental income can provide a steady stream of cash flow, and the property itself can appreciate over time. Remember, the goal is not to become a real estate mogul overnight, but to grow your investment over time. So, start small, learn as you go, and let your money work for you. With patience and persistence, your $10,000 can open the door to a brighter financial future. Investing in real estate with just $10,000 may seem daunting, but with the right strategy, it's more than achievable. We've taken a deep dive into the intricacies of the real estate market and the effective strategies you can adopt to make the most out of your 10 grand. Remember, understanding the market is key. Be it the property value trends, the neighborhood dynamics, or the rental yield, these are critical factors that can make or break your investment. Next, your investment strategy is your game plan. Whether you decide to go for rental income or flipping houses, your strategy should align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Lastly, never stop learning. The real estate market is ever evolving, and staying updated can give you an edge. Seek knowledge, attend seminars, read books, and don't shy away from seeking expert advice. So are you ready to take the leap and start your real estate investment journey with just $10,000? The world of real estate awaits.